To pull or to save a tooth. 6 things you need to know. People often take their dental and oral health for granted. You don't know how lucky you are until something goes wrong. One of the most annoying and painful things that a person can go through is dental or oral problems. Of course, it's not the end of the world or the worst thing that can happen to a person, but when you have problems with your teeth, the pain is persistent, ever-present, and invisible. Nobody would know how much pain you're in except yourself, and that doesn't make it any better. Sometimes the pain isn't as consistent, it comes and goes. You might feel pain when you eat or drink something hot or cold. Usually that wouldn't be a problem, but if it happens all the time, it's a sign you might have a dilemma ahead of you. Once you finally get checked and find out the problem with your tooth, there are usually 2 options available. Do you pull the tooth out, or do you try to save it? These situations are never cut and dry. There's typically some room left for your input. Your dentist will give you their best recommendation, but you still have a say in the final decision. If you find yourself caught up in a situation like this, here's what you need to know. Natural teeth are more sturdy. No matter which way you're leaning towards, the truth is natural teeth are just stronger than manufactured teeth. Assuming that you have a good chance of saving the tooth, it might be worth trying. Natural teeth aren't just stronger, they're easier to care for. You are more likely to have an easier time with your natural teeth than with artificial ones. Make sure to consult with your dentist carefully and thoroughly about the chances of saving your tooth. For the most part, it's best to try keeping it whenever possible. Teeth shift when one is pulled out. Now, pulling out a tooth can bring relief and nip the problem in the bud, but it depends on a case-to-case basis whether or not the consequences are well worth it. It's important to remember that pulling teeth out has a lasting effect on your dental health and overall appearance. Your teeth will shift slightly throughout your lifetime. However, after an extraction, the rest of your teeth shift to fill in the gap left behind. Whether or not that's a good thing is up for discussion with your dentist. Avoid additional expensive dental work. It's no secret that dental care can rack up quite a bill, depending on your problems and recommended treatment. Of course, there are plenty of things that can help those problems go away. One of the best things about tooth extraction is that it saves you additional visits to the dentist. While it would be ideal if money weren't an issue that affected your dental care, it's a reality that most people have to face. So, make sure to consider other options laid out for you. If extraction saves you time and money without troublesome consequences, it might be the best route for you. Extraction eliminates pain. If your toothaches are bringing you constant pain, extraction can help to eliminate the pain. Depending on how the tooth is positioned, the procedure is more or less simple. Choosing to pull the tooth out is a valid choice, one that can relieve you from pain and possibly remove the problem itself. Of course, there are other ways to eliminate the problem and relieve you from pain, though there's no guarantee that it will be more affordable or take less time. It can be hard to decide whether you should pull your tooth out or try to save it. Extraction is an easy solution to the nagging pain in your mouth. However, it does come with some consequences. Meanwhile, your natural teeth are worth saving whenever possible, but you have to be willing to shoulder the cost and possibly go through more procedures and visits to the dentist. Both options offer different advantages and disadvantages. The best course of action is to discuss with your dentist and listen to their recommendation.
Why choose Dental House MI to care for your oral health? Are you looking to bring back the confidence behind your smile? Our qualified and reliable local dentists can help improve your dental health with our multifaceted services. Get in touch with us today for a free consultation. Give us a call to book your appointment. Visit us at our 3 locations: Ann Arbor, 743-999-9909, Waterford, 947-999-9909, West Bloomfield, 248-48-22222, or visit our website dentalhousemi.com. Thanks for watching our video.